Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. Most people don't realize this. NotebookLM creates stunning slides, but they're totally static. That means your audience sees everything at once before you even start explaining, which often reduces engagement. In this guide, you'll learn a simple and totally free way to turn those static slides into dynamic, step-by-step presentations for free in just a few minutes. We'll start by launching NotebookLM. Once you're inside, don't reuse an existing notebook. Create a fresh one so your research stays organized and focused. The platform allows you to gather information from different sources, such as academic papers, websites, notes, or even YouTube videos, which makes it powerful for research-based work. For this example, set your topic to something like how AI works in academic research and supports knowledge discovery. This will help you explore how AI assists in finding papers, analyzing data, and summarizing complex studies. Next, select your source type, either web-based sources or files from Google Drive, depending on where your material is stored. After that, choose your mode, fast results for quick insights, or deeper research if you want more detailed and well-structured information. If you're just getting an overview or testing ideas, the faster option is usually the best place to start. After a few seconds, NotebookLM automatically collects and organizes relevant sources for you. Go through them carefully, pick the ones that fit your research, and import them into your notebook. The platform will then generate a clear and structured summary of your chosen topic. Once the summary is ready, navigate to the Slides section. Here, you can adjust your presentation settings, such as layout style, language, amount of text per slide, and overall description. After making your selections, click Generate to create your slides. In just a short moment, you'll have a fully designed presentation that looks clean and professional. However, there's one limitation. These slides are static. You cannot animate elements directly within NotebookLM. That's where the workaround comes in. Download your presentation as a PowerPoint, PPTX file, not a PDF. Then open it in Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, here's the important part, the real trick that allows you to bring your slides to life. Instead of animating the text itself, which isn't possible here, you'll hide it using shapes and reveal it step by step. Insert a rectangle shape and place it over the text you want to hide. Duplicate that shape for each point on the slide. Then match the shape's fill color with the slide background using the eyedropper tool and remove the outline so it blends in perfectly. Next, apply an animation, but not to the text. Apply an exit animation, like fade, to each rectangle. Set each one to trigger on click. What happens now is simple but powerful. Every time you click, a shape disappears, revealing the text underneath. This creates the effect of gradual information delivery, keeping your audience focused on you instead of reading ahead. For more complex elements like icons or irregular graphics, rectangles won't work well. In those cases, use the freeform or scribble shape tool to trace around the object. Once the shape is closed, apply the same steps. Match the background, remove the outline, and add an exit animation. When you present in slideshow mode, your content will now appear one piece at a time. You control the pace, and your audience stays engaged throughout. That's all it takes. With just a few simple steps, you can transform static notebook element slides into interactive, professional presentations without using any paid tools. If you find this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more.